Alright, now, Mari is now
video, please.
Is now letting me react to is Doggy makes Conroy his lunch and get out of my car, but with Super Woody Woodpecker show's voice.
Which is your voice.
Which is my voice, yeah. Which is my voice, what Mari says.
Now start the video, please.
You know, if you're going to be late, you could have brought food for all of us.
I'm late because I have to walk everywhere.
But I'm not! Do you mean my son?
Whoa.
If you're going to be late, you could have brought food for all of us.
I'm late because I have to walk everywhere.
But I'm not! Do you mean my son?
Right.
Yeah! Crab nuggets!
Yeah!
Whoa.
This is the worst thing ever!
Hey, that's the radio from Simpsons where Homer Simpson gets beaten up.
This was dumb.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here. Get out of my car now.
What?
Now!
That's not
Hey,
nice.
there's my voice.
Wow.
Now!
For the last time, don't do it. I said him to do it.
One.
Oh, I know what it says. It says, and I know what I just said. I said not to do it.
No, it's I said don't do it.
I said don't do it.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on. I think someone's calling me. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm back. I was just being called by my Aunt Shanna, so she wants me to pick up the bags. No, Mari, I got it.
Keep it a secret.
Alright.
Just continue reacting to that video.
Alright. Alright, let's continue.
Get out right now! Get out!
Restart what?
The first one I made about you with your voice.
Alright.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here. Get out of my car now.
What?
Now!
That's not nice. Wow.
Now!
For the last time, don't do it.
Oh, okay.
I said him to do it.
Oh, I know what I said.
Do it.
I said not to do it. Okay.
I said don't do it. Say it.
Oh, I know what it said. I said not to do it.
No, what it's trying to say is I said don't do it.
Alright. Oh, I know what I said. I said
Okay, you can
don't do it. Okay. Okay, now let's continue.
Right now! Get out!
Alright, that's it for today. And also subscribe and like and bye.